Hi students, we looked at a song, Bad Moon Rising. We just gave it a little bit of time on our live class Saturday, and it's a great tune. The movement of chords is kind of quick, and at a slow tempo, which is a little bit faster than the Horse No Name tempo. This is about 60 beats per minute. And strumming with the shuffle strum. I would make the intro a little bit unique. If you look at the intro, which of course is right here, I would make two Ds and let them sustain. I would play A, D, one strum, and then the shuffle strum for the two measures of D. Let me do that again. So it's down, down, up, down, A. So it's just like that. Now, all of this crazy strums they show, I would, I tried to erase it, but unfortunately it destroyed the chords on the top, and in this format of PDF, trying to edit it's very difficult. It tends to distort the rest of the chart. But I would just do this throughout the. Just a down, 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 and down, down, and down. Now, and the quickness of it is the fact that it's in 4/4, except the A and the G are only 2 beats of time, half a measure each. So you have to kind of move quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Okay, let's try it at a slow tempo, and it's about a guy that doesn't see positive things happening in the future. He sees bad things, hurricanes, rivers overflowing, don't go out tonight, and so on. This is by the great Creedence Clearwater, who everyone thought were from, the Bayou, like southern singers, like Creel, Zydek, that kind of singers. Yet they were from Oakland, California. Brothers, Tom and John Fogerty, and then the guy's name was Cosmo, was the drummer, and Cook was the bass player. A couple of them are still around, but they don't play as a group. It's the John Fogerty band now, where his kids are playing the parts, his children, sons. Here we go. 1, 2, the intro to ready, play. I see a bad moon rising. I see trouble on the way. I see earthquakes and lightning. Then there's that great solo on guitar that he played. And you see, these chords are quite basic. Now, what you'll have to do, and let me demonstrate. What you'll have to do is take the... and get that to where it sounds proper. It's non-compromised. You're not playing, off the fretboard. That's right here. Your first finger, second finger, and then third finger. And you play that for a measure. Then an A for 2 beats, and then a G, 2 beats, and back. So you may want to do 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You might want to give yourself some counts in between and just get the first 2 chords right. 3, 4. Then go back again. I added that pinky. I add the pinky to the 3rd fret of the A string, of the high E string, for that suspended 4. That was Lucky Man. That was Lucky Man. You could use it in this song too, but I would get the chords. That's called sweetening the song, adding that. That's a cool little device you can always add. Okay, well, work on that, students. Good luck.